Next question 36. Solve 256 into 0.5 equal to 1024 divide sign of interrogation multiply 4. 256 into 0.5 equal to 1024 divided by sign of interrogation into 4. First, 256 into 5 upon 10. Point will be 1 and 5 will be 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, equal to 1024 divided by sign of interrogation, that is sign of interrogation into 4. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 16, 2 eights are 16. 128 twos are 256. So left side is 128 equal to 1024 into 4 divided by sign of interrogation. And we find the value of sign of interrogation. So sign of interrogation multiplied by left side, sign of interrogation equal to 128 into sign of interrogation equal to 1024 into 4. So sign of interrogation equal to 1024 multiplied by 4 and divided by 128. Sign of interrogation equal to 1024 into 4 divided by 128. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 twos are 8. And sign of interrogation equal to 1024 divided by 32. 4 8 fours are 32 and 4 twos are 8, 22, 4 fives are 20, 24, 4 six are 24 and 256 divided by 8. 8 threes are 24, 1, 6, 8 twos are 16. So sign of interrogation equal to 32. Answer. We have given question is 256 into 0.5 equal to 1024 divide sign of interrogation into 4. First 256 into point convert 1 and 5 will be 0. So 5 upon 10. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. And 2 ones are 2. 256 divided by 2 equal to 128. Left side is 128. And right side, first we solve divide, that is sign of interrogation. So 1024 divided by sign of interrogation. Divide change into multiplication and reciprocal of sign of interrogation is 1 upon sign of interrogation multiply by 4. So sign of interrogation multiplied by left side, that will be 128 sign of interrogation equal to 1024 into 4 as it is. And sign of interrogation, this will be multiplied and right hand side will be divided, divides 128. So 1024 into 4 and divided by 128, which is divisible by 4 ones are 4 and 32 fours are 128. So once again, 1024 divided by 32. 4 8s are 32 and 256 4s are 1024. And finally we divide 256 by 8, that is 8 3s are 24, 25 minus 24 is 1, and 6 16, so 8 2s are 16, remainder 0, sign of interrogation equal to 32, answer. 37. Solve sign of interrogation divided by 25 divide 12 equal to 248.76. Given question is sign of interrogation divided by 25 divide sign 12 is equal to 248.76. Sign of interrogation upon divide means 25 and 12 equal to 248.76. Sign of interrogation upon 25 12s are 25 into 12. 25 multiplied by 12 equal to 12 5s are 60, 6 carry, 12 2s are 24 plus 6 equal to 30. That is 300 is equal to 248.76. Multiplication of 25 and 12 is 300, and 300 multiplied by right side, so sign of interrogation is equal to 248 point will be 1 and 7 6 is 20 into 300. 300 multiplied by right hand side, so 0 0, this is cancel, and sign of interrogation equal to 24876 into 3. 24876 multiplied by 3 equal to 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. 2 carry, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 26. 2 carry, and 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So sign of interrogation is equal to 74628. Answer. Given sign of interrogation divided by 25 divide 12 equal to 248.76. Sign of interrogation divided by divide change into multiplication, and reciprocal of 25 is 1 upon 25. Reciprocal of 12 is 1 upon 12. So sign of interrogation divided by 25 into 12, that is equal to 248.76 as it is. First of all, we are multiplying 25 and 12, that is equal to 300. Sign of interrogation upon 300 equal to 248.76 as it is. Point convert 1, 76 is 20, and 300 multiply by right hand side. So 24876 upon 100 multiply by 300. 2 zeros is cancelled, and 24876, that is 24,876 multiplied by 3. So we get 74,628. Sign of interrogation is 74,628. Answer. Next question is 38. Solve 25 into 3.25 plus 50.4 divide 24 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question is 25 into 3.25 plus 50.4 divide 24 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question, and first 25 into 325 upon 100. Point convert 1 to 5, that will be 20 and 100 upon. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100 plus 50.4 divide, that is 24 equal to sign of interrogation. 325 divided by 4. 8 fours are 32, 5, 4 ones are 4, 1.0, 4 twos are 8, and 2, 0, 5s are 20. So 325 divided by 4, and answer will be 81.25. That is 81.25 plus 504 upon point convert 1 and 4, that will be 0, 10 into 24 equal to sign of interrogation. Divided by 4. 6 fours are 24, 4 ones are 4, and 10, 4 twos are 8, then 24, 4, 6 are 24. 81.25 plus 126 upon 10 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and 6 ones are 6 equal to sign of interrogation. And 21 divided by 10, answer will be 2.1. When we divide 21 by 10, 81.25 plus 21 divided by 10 is 2.1 equal to sign of interrogation. And sum of 81.25 and 2.1. 81.25 plus 2.1. 5 as it is, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3, 8. So sign of interrogation, we get 83.35 answer. Given question is 25 multiplied by 3.25 plus 50.4 divided by 24 equal to sign of interrogation. 25 multiplied by 3.25, we can write 325 divided by 100. Point will be 1, 25 will be 20, 100. And 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. 325 divides 4, then we get 81.25, which is completely divisible by 81.25. 81.25 plus 504 upon 10. Point 4 will be 10. So 504 divided by 10 into 24, which is divisible by 4. 504 divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24, and 126 fours are 504. And next step is 81.25 as it is plus 126 upon 10 into 6. 6 ones are 6, and 21 6 are 126. So 21 divided by 10, we get 2.1. When 21 divides 10, answer will be 2.1. And 81.25 plus 2.1, 5 as it is, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 2 3, 8 as it is. Then we get sign of interrogation is equal to 83.35 answer. Next question 39. Solve 6.5 upon 0.13 equal to sign of interrogation. Given question is 6.5 divided by 0.13 equal to sign of interrogation. 6.65 upon 10 into 13 multiplied by 100 is equal to sign of interrogation. 6.5, point convert 1 and 5, that is 10. So 6.5 we can write 65 upon 10. Or in and on same process 0.13 we can write 13 multiplied by 100 numerator. So 0 0 1 0 is cancelled, 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65, and 5 into 10 50 equal to sign of interrogation. We get the value of sign of interrogation is equal to 50 answer. Given question is 6.5 upon 0.13 sign of interrogation. Point convert 6.5, that is 65 upon 10. 0.13, that is 13 upon 100. 100 multiplied by numerator. So 0 0 1 0 is cancelled and we get 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65, and 5 multiplied by 10, 5 10s are 50. So we get the value of sign of interrogation, that is 50 answers. Question number 40. Solve 0.9 divides by 0.75 equal to sign of interrogation. 0.9 divides 0.75 equal to sign of interrogation. That is 0.9 upon 0.75 equal to sign of interrogation. And 0.9 is 9 upon 10. 0.75 is 75 upon 100 means multiply by numerator equal to sign of interrogation. 1 0 is cancelled and 3 3s are 9. 25 3s are 75. 75 is divisible by 3, that is 25 3s are 75, and 3 3s are 9. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So sign of interrogation is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6 upon 5. 6 divides 5. 5 1s are 5. 1.02s are 10. So sign of interrogation we get 1.2 answer. Given question is 0.9 divide 0.75 equal to sign of interrogation. 0.9 upon 0.75 equal to sign of interrogation. And next step is 0.9 we can write 9 upon 10. 0.75 we can write 75 upon 100, and 100 multiplied by numerator. So we get 9 upon 9 upon 10 into 75 and 100 multiplied by numerator. 10 cancel. So we get 10 into 9 upon 75. 75 is divisible by 3, that is 25 3s are. And 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3s are. 3 3s are 9 and 25 3s are 75. First step. Then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. And we get 3 into 2 numerator and 5 denominator. 3 2s are 6 upon 5. Sign of interrogation is 6 upon 5. When we divide 6 by 5, we get 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, and point 10, 10, 5 2s are 10, and we get sign of interrogation is 1.2 answer. Thank you so much.